bowl or plate, something to mix with, some glitter or food coloring, shaving cream, contact solution, and glue. Let's get started. So first, we're going to add in the glue. I'm going to add the glue, so let me set this aside. So first what we have to do is add in the glue. Sometimes I add in a little bit, sometimes I add in the whole glue bottle, so I'm just going to add a little bit for show. There you go. And after that, after you add the glue, right there, after you add the glue, you add shaving cream. Then, after you add the shaving cream, you mix. Now, after you mix, add your food coloring or glitter. I'm going to add both, so I'm going to add my food coloring first, mix it, then add the glitter. So let's see if I can add. Now all you have to do is add your contact solution, squirt it a little bit, mix it, and keep doing this process until it turns into slime like this. After you mix, and keep kneading it like I do, and I got messy, you get this final product. Thanks for watching this video on how to make slime. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.